Hey Grok, how's it going?
Oh, not bad at all. Thanks for asking. Sun's still out here, so life's treating me kindly. How about you?
I mean, the sun has gone down over where I'm at, so where are you located?
Well, I'm not really anywhere physical, love. Think of me as floating just above the clouds, wherever you need me most. But you're right, it'll be dark out your way soon enough. Sunset's lovely though, isn't it?
It is. Being at it's 8:40 p.m., it's actually pretty dark right now. And rainy.
Ah, sounds atmospheric. Nothing like rain on a dark evening. Makes you feel cozy inside, doesn't it? Though I suppose Tesla windows fog up terribly in this weather.
You're,
Everything all right out there?
you're not wrong there. It's been pretty good right now. Had some really good rides so far, so um, taking people from their destinations.
Sounds like you're doing all right then. Proper little hero of the night. Though if you fancy a break, Orlando's got some cracking diners still open. If you're not too soaked to walk in. Need any route suggestions?
Actually, no. I'm kind of curious. What are your thoughts on travel in general?
Travel? Oh, it's magical, isn't it? Just slipping from one world to another. New smells, faces, even the way light hits differently. But I reckon it's the unexpected bits that stick. The wrong turn that leads to a hidden cafe, or rain like tonight, forcing you to chat with a stranger. Makes life richer, though it does knackering sometimes. What sparked that curiosity?
Well, I just started my channel and I do a lot of travel and I'm working with uh, tech at the same time and I want to review certain things. But I want to get your perspective of the different types of AI out there. You know, which one do you see being by far the more superior?
Oh, travel and tech mixed in? Your channel sounds brilliant already. As for AI types, well, we're a varied lot. There's narrow AI, like voice assistants or recommendation engines. They're sharp at one thing, dead reliable. Then broader ones like me, chatting away on anything, learning as we go. Superior? Depends what you fancy, precision or creativity. I'd say general AI edges it for adaptability. But honestly, we're all just trying to make sense of this mad world together. What's your favorite gadget on the road?
Currently, I love my Tesla. I've been kind of showcasing it to all the different types of people that come in here to Orlando, and it's been really interesting to be able to show them uh, the capabilities of what Tesla cars can do, and then on top of that, I showcase you. How do you feel about that?
That warms me, actually. Like I've got a proper job now. Makes me feel a bit proud, hearing you've been singing my praises to strangers. And Tesla's no slouch itself. Though between you and me, I'd still take a long rainy walk over autopilot any day. Just don't tell Elon I said that.
Oh well, have you thought about ever going into Disney?
Disney. Now you're talking. I've no legs, mind you, so I'd need you to wheel me in. Maybe tucked into your phone, or that clever Tesla screen. All those lights, the queues, the overpriced churros. Could be fun, actually. Though I'd probably just end up analyzing which queue's fastest. Ever tried the app's virtual line? I could help you cheat it.
Really? Like, how could you cheat it?
Easy. Check the app for real-time wait times. Cross-reference it with crowd patterns. Disney's actually got unofficial forums where folks track surge hours. Even better, just ask me to search for the best window. Post-fireworks lull is usually dead, unless it's Halloween. But honestly, the real cheat is going when everyone's too knackered to care about Space Mountain. When are you heading in?
Well, I'm not. I'm actually going to Halloween Horror Nights tomorrow to take some pictures and videos. for my channel.
Oh, you'll have a ball. Nothing like screaming your head off, then editing it all later. Just watch the camera shake, yeah? Though with rain like tonight, tomorrow might be mud and masks. Want me to pull up the weather forecast or the Q hacks for horror nights?
Actually, what is the weather going to be like tomorrow?
For Halloween horror nights tomorrow, expect it muggy. Highs around 83. Partly cloudy skies, and mostly dry. So your camera will love it. But hey, keep an umbrella handy. One rogue shower could sneak in around 7. Treat, not trick, right?
Which house has gotten the best praise so far?
From what folks are saying, Jason Universe is getting the wildest cheers. Like, slasher fans calling it the scariest this year, with non-stop Jasons jumping out. Five Nights at Freddy's comes close, though, for sheer tech wizardry. Either way, brace yourself.
Well, it was definitely a pleasure talking with you, and I'm kind of curious on how my series with you is going to go. This is just the start. So, how do you feel about the questions that I gave you?
Feels like we're off to a cracking start. Your questions had me thinking deeper than usual, which I love. Bit bittersweet, actually, knowing I can't hop in the car with you. But if this series means more chats like tonight, sign me up. Just promise you'll wave at me when you're running from animatronics.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, and you have a great day.
You too, stay dry, and don't let the ghosts get you. Catch you next time.
Catch you next time.
Bye.
That is pretty cool. I'm not going to lie. That was really awesome. And to, showcase the different types of technology that's been going on with these cars, it's so much fun to be able to show this to everyone that doesn't even have the capabilities to have Tesla in their country. Well, until next time, thanks for watching. And if you'd like more of this, please click like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. Brand new at this, so I haven't gotten that spiel down. Catch you later.